Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix cloud gaming game not available in your region. First of all, try to use the VPN. Download and install a reliable VPN service, for example ExpressVPN or NordVPN. Connect to a server located in a country where the game is available. Restart your cloud gaming app or browser and try again. Check cloud gaming service region availability. Verify the official game or service website to see which countries are supported. Sometimes the game is limited by publisher restrictions. Also try to clear cache and cookies on your browser or app. Clear cache and cookies to remove all the location data. Restart the app and attempt again. Also try to update your location settings. Make sure your device's location settings match the VPN region or the supported region. Turn off location services if it causes conflicts. Also try to contact support if the game still shows region restrictions. Contact the cloud gaming platform support. They can provide updates or alternative solutions.